For today's video, bibigyan ko ng review yung game na nilalaro ko, itong Viking Saga. Isa ito sa GB apps. Okay, so ito siya. Start. Click lang ng start. And then wait mo lang dyan. Standby ka lang dyan. And then mag-iipon na yun ng coins. Then after a few seconds, makikita mo na yun sa ibaba ng level 1 na may naipon ng coins. As you can see, meron ng 6. So yun. And then end mo lang pag ayaw mo na maglaro, and then nakikita mo na. So as you can see dyan, nakikita nyo sa taas, meron akong $2.47, which is 150 pesos na yan. Sa Pinas, 52 ang dollar ng palitan. So pag withdraw ko yan, click withdraw, and then GCash, PayPal, which is withdraw ng available sa Pinas, and then email address sa PayPal, and then amount na 2.47, and then verify. So that's it guys, ganun lang kadaling kumita ng pera. Salamat. Sa gustong matuto nito guys, I will link the referral link below, and then click nyo lang under the description box. Then mada-download nyo na ito guys. Sundan nyo lang yung video at makukuha nyo na kung paano siya laruin. So it helped me a lot, and I know it can help you too. So please subscribe guys. Thank you so much. So keep watching guys, at marami pa kayong matututunan sa i-reveal ko pang sa susunod na games. Thank you. Then please give me a favor guys, please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. So I hope na dadami pa yung subscriber ko at mas marami pa akong matulungan na tao. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching.
易游网爽购下游季来喽！6大爽购主题日，每天中午准时开抢。